Merry Christmas, everyone. I forgot to update you about the steak that I made. I don't think this is medium rare, but I think this is kind of medium. And I also made a rigatoni in ricotta sauce, but I added a bit of mashed tomatoes to make it a little sour because I want it to be a little sour than it is. This is a perfect combo. And also, I have a pink moscato and a cheesecake and leche flan in the fridge for dessert. How is your Christmas, guys? I hope you're having fun. I know that this is a time that you think that some of us are missing our loved ones or people important to us, but also this could be the time to thank God for the blessings that He had given us, for the wonderful year that we have shared together. So, enjoy your night.